Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete screenshots on your MacBook. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate where our screenshots go, and to do this, hold your shift and then command and then go for the 5, and right here, if we move to the options, we can see the folder where the screenshots are saved. So mine are located in this folder right here, with this sign icon next to it, but yours could be somewhere else. Now locate the folder that you want to delete the screenshots for. So in this case, let's actually leave the capture for now, and let's go for go. Now let's find documents. We can find documents, and here's the folder where I record screen, and there's the screenshots. So now if we want to delete them, select each file that you want to delete, press on this icon right here and move it to the bin. Now if you want to delete it entirely, go for the finder and here empty the bin, and then click empty bin again. And that's how you delete screenshots on your MacBook. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.